I know I'm taking a picture of this, but I tell you, I'm pretty proud of this bad boy. And I already got a name for it and everything, so if anybody's wondering what the name is, it's going to be Baxter. This was the original Baxter State Park truck. So that's why I gave it the name. And look at that. You'll never see any new Dodges that say, those new Rams will never say Dodge on them. This is the last Dodge Ram ever made. And if anybody wants to fact check me, they can, but I'm going to be honest with you, I'm going to beat you because I know the facts. The Ram product, the Ram truck now is owned by Fiat. It's no longer owned by Chrysler Dodge. And so that's a fact. So if you guys want to go check that out, you can. But that's why I really like this truck, and that's why it's so sought after. And plus, it's extremely rare. That right there, okay? And if no one out there knows what a truck guy is, this was an in-between year of Dodge. It was actually, I call it the prototype year. It was like the pro, they put all the options in this truck. It's an 04-05 model. So that basically it was built and manufactured in 2004, but it was actually sold in 2005. Okay, so this is a 2004, but was sold in 2005 as a new truck. It's got just over 100,000 miles on it, and I'll just show you some more about it too, because this is another passion of mine, and I enjoy trucks, and I enjoy this particular truck. So if you want, I'll even come in and start the old girl up. That's what she sounds like. I have no idea what it has on for mufflers, but it has dual exhaust. I don't think it's true dual. I believe it's single split to two pipes. That's all I know about it, because it was like that when I got the truck. But so yeah, just showing off this rare, extremely rare Dodge Ram 3500 heavy duty limited edition. The specs on the motor, I believe, is different as well. It was a prototype motor. I believe they put bigger heads in it because it is a 1 ton. So I believe that this truck, because normally these come as dualies, so I believe that there's something there, I guess. I don't really know a whole lot about that part of it. I only went on the VIN number, and the VIN number really told me pretty much that's exactly what it said on it. So whatever, it doesn't matter, right? I'm just showing off this in-between year Dodge Ram, the last Dodge Ram ever made, probably 04-05 Bighorn Edition. And if you remember, all the new trucks now have Bighorn Edition on them. It's because this was the last year when Daimler Chrysler got bought out, or had to bail out. This was the new symbol that was going to be on every other truck that was ever made for Dodge. Well, it'll be under Fiat. But anyway, I'm going to let you go, because this is getting along. This is really getting like a long video. So, but thanks for letting me share with you this beautiful truck that's still in great shape. It's all original. So even the interior is pretty mint. Not even a rip in the seat. The seat's like brand new. And usually all these trucks have these bad seats, you know what I'm saying? So this is a blessing to have something this clean and this really this nice. So pretty grateful. All right, thanks guys for letting me share.